What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Austin Big Baby Johnson, and I'm back with another video.
Panda. Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, found them, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, found them, wait and see, panda. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit, hope you killers understand it. I got.
And as y'all can see, this is just gonna be a little mukbang, mukbang, mukbizzle, mukbang, whatever you want to call it. So I think it's chicken steak grilled. I got my little soda water, y'all. Then I got potatoes and onions. And then, you know, I'm trying to be healthy, so I got broccoli. So in this cup, I have a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'm trying to boom, just a little bit of that right there. And then for those who watch me and those who know me personally, I like mustard. Okay, let's say a grace. Shalom. I'm just playing. Amen. Let's start with a piece of broccoli first. Yes, I just dipped it in mustard. Fight me. Now, I know some of y'all are wondering why I don't have my custom Austin Big Baby Johnson shirt on. Things happened. My granddad got sick, and we were supposed to go get the t-shirts customized, but we didn't. So we're gonna do it later. There's also gonna be a vlog posted up tomorrow. I'm going to my friend's party, so let's try some potatoes and onions. Let's try this. It's good. Barbecue sauce and broccoli. I haven't done a mukbang in a long time. This is a big potato. Get the onion around it. I don't particularly like onions, but if it's on the potato and I don't just get a huge chunk of onion, then I'm fine with it. The only time I eat onions is if they're on the White Castle burger. That's about it. Broccoli's not that bad. Broccoli's almost finished. broccoli is done. I'm trying to find another big potato. Here's one. Let's get back at this. Oh, I got some fat on this one. Oh, I feel one. Here it is. Hold on. I want to try something. Potato with the steak. With mustard. Okay, so. It's up. The rest of these are really just onions. So, that was pure onion. Oh, wait. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, subscribe, put me on your social medias. Oh my gosh. Like, subscribe, favorite. Once again, I don't feel like typing my stuff, so I'm gonna just say it. Snapchat, Mr. Comedian 1234. Instagram, Austin the Man 17. 16. 17. It's 17. It doesn't matter. Austin the Man 16, 17 doesn't matter. I think it's 17 though. Once again, Snapchat, Mr. Comedian 1234. Instagram, Austin the Man 17. Once again, Snapchat, Mr. Comedian 1234. Instagram, Austin the Man 17. I'm out. I'm gonna take me a nap or slumber till the morning. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you to the Big Baby family. Thank you to all 45 of my subscribers. We're on the road to 50 subscribers. That's good. But yeah, that's it. All right. Bye.